I don't hear my music right now. And here's the news. Oh shit. It still has my shit up from earlier. I forgot to close I guess I forgot to close OBS. What's going on here? This is public, right? Alright, that's public. That's public. Give fish. Alright. Social screen? Social Ninja? Wait a second. Let me see if this works. Okay, that works. All right. Remove. Oh shit, I forgot to fucking set up the music. Well, yeah, I think it's too late now. I think it's too late now. Next time, next stream, I'm gonna try to remember to. I won't be able to stream during the day though. But I'm gonna try to. Well, I'm gonna start streaming like like the music that I play on Twitch on YouTube, because like basically right after I stream, I'm basically. I don't know if I'm gonna delete it, but I might delete it. I've been unlisting basically all my like clipping streams. Not deleting them yet, because like I semi-recently started recording them, but everything's gonna be over there like on the on my Nyata Neko basically, except for like I'm not gonna re-upload the streams. All right. Okay, so that fish worked, right? Let me double check. All right, let me delete these. Delete message. Delete message. Now I think I gotta go into here and properties. Refresh cache current page. Yeah. And it should still work. All right, that comes back up. All right, good. All right. All righty. Let me get the music going here. Get the music going right here, right now. What the fuck is this? What is this? What do I have 3 of? I'll get the producer. Okay. And I've been adding on to my my funk track. Well, I call it funk, but it's like, it's not necessarily funk. My boogie land. Kind of like, I wish it can like shuffle play. There you go. There we go. And let me play this. All right, so let's go here. Hi everybody, I'm Ultra Derek. I'm sorry I took a while to get started there. I've been moving everything, all my streams basically, except for the ones where I'm playing games. I'm moving all my streams to unlisted. Yeah. Oh, hello Comfy. So I did this. I didn't do this actually. Grok did it for me. Grok did it for me. Yeah. But I think I want to like add something to this. In ERD. Yeah, it's fucking... I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Like, I'm barely to get 0 subscribers for the month. Basically, like a net of 0. It'll probably go negative. It'll be like my first time like in years I've gone negative. Yeah. So I don't know what the fuck's going on. It's looking bad. And then like the Pippa clip that I did the other day, like I don't know if people are just getting tired of YouTubers or VTubers. Or maybe they're just not, maybe YouTube's not pushing clips any longer, but I'm just not seeing them. It's not getting any views. None. All right, so, 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. My headphones back on. Yeah. Hello, Jolly-O. Okay, so I started streaming. I was gonna do that one like tutorial, but then like I had to get the, I guess I gotta like put the anon key, like just copy and paste it. I wasn't gonna do that during the stream. I have it in a file and I'm going to bring it up. So this is like the tables that they made in that one thing. And I guess like I'm gonna feed it again, but there's like one part I want to kind of change. And then I'm gonna like have it update. With one of your repo. If you want to use it, put it in an environment file on your repo. Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna put it on the repository, but like, or the, yeah. But like, I'm going to, I got a folder where it's gonna be saved. I made a file for, it looked like, there might be two, one for the anon. So I'm gonna just open the file, and then it looked like the service role key. I wasn't sure like exactly where that be local only. I don't want to actually click it open like during stream. Yeah, but yeah, I know what you're saying, man. Yeah, yeah, because like I did that. Yeah, because that's how you kind of do it with like the what is it called? Your bash Barsh Ursi. My web UI, they use that. The web UI server, web UI. Yeah, so like this one here. Oh, embed, never mind. You said dot env. Go OS env, what the fuck is that? It sounds like kind of familiar. Look up environment. Environmental variables? So you make it an environmental variable? Ah. I think I'm just gonna load it into a. Doesn't that via VS Code? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna do like. Oh, VS Code does that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open the file and like put it into like bytes and then convert it to a string basically, and then it'll be no problem at all. I just got to remember like the fucking I list them as this anon text and services text. So because it looked like it was just a string that you popped at the end of it or whatever. I love how we have like super important keys like in the wide open. I've been like on a I've been on like a repo. I don't know what is it called, like a GitHub repo, I guess. Yeah, and I've like combed through like some people's codes, And they have like an account username and password in it. I'm just like, what the fuck? Like, is this what people do? GPG and encode it in base 64. Would you need like a key to that too? And yeah. Yeah. Meow. I think I'll be good. Keys. I should have a folder called like super important keys. Don't look. Please don't steal. I don't know. I'm just like any kind of like real harm's gonna come of like anybody, like other than them trolling. And then me wanting to like kill myself after they destroy everything. Other than that, like it's not like it's taking money from me. I think this animation's kind of cool. It's like shit's moving. Storing secrets during development. Standard practice environment variables. If working in the cloud, you use a secret manager. AIM permission. What are you saying? IAM permission. Oh. Define who identity can do what action. Ah, yeah. I see. So I guess I could like make a permission, like I guess define like a program once it's compiled, like give it certain permissions. You can only access the secrets you need. Role-based access, yeah. RBAC. I'm getting tag teamed here. Tag team. Yeah. I think I see now. Like kind of like how like Freenos kind of Truenos kind of does it. That's kind of smart. So then you can have it so no one can read it or anything like that or write to it. And then, interesting. I don't think crazy people are going to break into your house for the anime girls. Yeah, that's true. I think I got to worry about a fire more than anything. It's good practice in case you ever make... Yeah, what I got here, though, yeah, I'll keep that in mind. What I got here, I don't want to make public. Because it will, like... Especially for what I do, like, it gives me fucking an edging. Yeah, then you don't care. It lives on your net. If you're on, yeah. Although I can be like, the thing is like, I wouldn't want to like, if I'm finally done with it, I don't think I'd ever want to fucking keep on maintaining this. And it's constantly going to be like fucking need maintained. That's probably why like everybody like quits these projects eventually. I'm surprised fucking YTDLP still keeps on doing their shit. Cause they're always like constantly fighting like YouTube. Hell, I still think I can't. Let me see if I can log into YouTube. Or like, they probably still think this IP address is like full of bots. I don't know. Mr. Beast. Oh! They don't think I'm a bot any longer. Like they'll flag your IP address for a couple days and then they'll like unflag it. So I was looking into like how I can have like, I can have my, I think I'm going to start using my phone's connection to the internet. And I wonder if I can like just plug it into my, with like USB cord, plug it in. Cause I don't want to fucking use the Wi-Fi. We have like I got a Wi-Fi thing up here. We got like 2 downstairs, 2 or 3. And then like, yeah, my mom just started, like I got like an extended one. And then my mom's like, she fucking like tries to like one up me on everything for some odd reason. So she gets like 3 of them. It's like, what the fuck, dude? And they're not even like connected to each other in any way. And it's like, just fucking do it right? Just like, if you're going to do it right. The reason why I did it, because I wanted to get on my subnet without having to bring like a fucking cable all the way downstairs. Like to get like the network cable to where the fucking router / gateway is. This is, let me give you guys, you guys know I like to draw like really shitty diagrams, right? So let me give you a really shitty, what the fuck is this? All right, I'm gonna make a really shitty diagram. I like did something to this and it's never been the same. So my parents have a big house. Pew. They're not struggling too much. They're retiring boomers. All right, so I guess this, I don't know how to like do a roof very well. I wonder if I can just kind of do it like this and then. Oh yeah, baby. Man, I love that option. I'm gonna be lazy on this one. Can I just do like a line like that? There we go. Let's do this. Bam. Fucking layers are the way to go. So there's this guy who was like, his name was like, it's like Andy's Attic. He would come on my in the chat every once in a while. And he does like, I guess he does like a little bit of like videos. I was like, you should make like a VTuber where you are the addict, right? You're just, your face is the addict. Like you just have like a mouth and eyes. This is like, the perspective on this is fucking shit. All right. All right. That's a little bit better. Anyways, you get this is the garage. I think that would be the fucking best, dude. If he was like an addict. And then like, if you ever streamed with other people, like, you know, he's the fucking addict. They can just be anywhere in there. This is like a terrible garage. It's like that. Let's assume this is a garage and then like, this is the front door. I'm not even gonna draw the front porch, dude. We got like a fucking huge front porch that goes like here. And then like, there's like an overhang here. And then like, there's like posts, whatever that thing is there. We've been getting fucking carpenter bees. They've been coming underneath. Like we have wood here and then like, there's like wood slots and shit here. And they've been coming underneath here and fucking digging around and like digging out. They make like intricate fucking tunnels and shit. And they just, I mean, I've been having to kill them like every year. So anyways, both sides, they fucking like ruined like two, we have like two, basically like parking benches. But anyways, imagine, actually gonna do this. Imagine there's like my son has 2 windows. My daughter has 1. I'm telling y'all like where everybody's room is. I'm on the other end. I'm on the back. So just below me is the family room. And I guess I can do like a side view. Let's do a side view. New window. Yeah, let's do a new one. So like this is the side. This is the side view. And I have a window here. And then we have a window here. On the back, I have another window like on this side. Something like this is there. Fucking like a bullet landed like wham right there. Like my bed's like close to here. And like all of a sudden I heard this like big huge pop. It's like pop. I didn't know it was a bullet. I thought like fucking like a battery exploded. Cause I do have like some fucking, yeah, bullet. Yeah, the brass bullet. I posted on X. It's a few years old. It was on New Year's day, like, you know, the day, like the morning of New Year's Day. Yeah, people shoot fucking guns, I guess. It was like a fucking rifle or something like that they shot. I don't know. I'm not like a big gun freak or anything like that. Like I'm not like, I don't know like much about guns. But yeah, it landed like, and I heard like a pop, and then like this like fucking like shit like splashed everywhere, and I was like, it was dry though, and I was like, what the fuck? And it took me like, and I was like searching, like I was like, hopefully this room's not gonna catch on fire. So I was like looking around, making sure like there's nothing like on fire, because I thought it could have been like a battery like exploding for some odd reason. And then I noticed, I was like, it was just like this white powder everywhere. And I was like, what the fuck is all this white powder? It was like, ended up being like the, you know, like the texture on the ceiling and the white paint that they have over it. Right. And like, I look up and like, there's like a piece of it kind of like this. And it's like the size is like, I half-ass patched it. Let me see if I can see it. I'd say it's like maybe twice the size of like a, you know, like $50. Maybe like a silver dollar, right? Which isn't twice the size, I don't think. But anyways, like that's folded out, and then like I see like a little bit of copper coming through on it. I was like, what the fuck? I dug it out. And then it started fucking, I don't think it was raining that day, but like it rained like a few days later or something like that. And like water got like, it started soaking the area. Like this ceiling stained a little bit. So I had to like, I went up there and I was trying to find where that fucking hole was. And I went to go, you know, at least like fill it in with some caulk or something like that, or something, you know, like to keep it from like spilling in. We did get like a roof guy up by and like replace the shingle or whatnot to fill it in. So there's no more leaks on there. But yeah, man, like, and I was like laying in bed, like right here, and it's like right over where my head would have been. I don't know if like, I guess like if it had enough force, it could have killed me or something. I don't know. It's fucking scary. Yeah. I'll take a picture of it if I remember. If I remember, I'll take a picture of it before like going to bed. I'll show you like where it's at, like in the bed. Yeah, I was just fucking. I was like probably scrolling X or something like that. I can't remember. I have no life. But anyways, okay. To my back, I'm in the closet right now, and I'm in the closet, which is like other side of the room. Yeah, I stream in the closet. My closet's like my work area. Yeah, I'm in the closet. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, like basically like I guess like let me like you know, you get like your beams and shit here. Hold on a second. Kind of goes in like this. Yeah. That is like awful. So they got like this shit, and then like you know you got like get beams going across. This is too flat, but like they're spaced out a certain way and everything. Well, in order for me to connect to the internet downstairs, which I just did this. I had to buy like I think I bought like a 200-foot like Ethernet cable. I had to like go up here. We have like an entrance to the attic, like in the closet next to the closet I'm in. So I got a closet right behind me, and that's like basically like my network, or that's like I kind of took that place over for basically for like my servers and shit. I really need to get a circuit in there. I just have my Ethernet running through the middle of the apartment. I didn't even. So like I live with my parents. My kids and I live with my parents, and there's no way they'll allow that. My mom would fucking like she would take it. She is ballistic sometimes, and she would fucking cut it with like scissors or whatever. Yeah, there's no way she would fucking allow that. Like I was trying to put like I tried to put an intake fan. We have like an intake register like in the hallway, and we like need a fan for it because like it is so fucking my how much power I use and the heat dispels, like there is so much power that's getting dispelled through it. And like because I had like a little power, like at least to try it out, like to test it out to see if it worked for a little while. Like I had like a little like power cable running down from basically the from the side of the register, and she was just like pulling at it and shit like a rabid animal. I was like, what the fuck, dude? It's like, calm the fuck down. Okay, when I was living with my parents, I crawled underneath the house and ran a cable. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. They're here. Let me get to the story now. So I know it takes a while for the setup. Okay, so remember, the only way I can walk is like down here, and it's like every like foot and a half. I can't remember whatever it's spaced out. Like I got to step on those parts, and like have my like foot, and it literally fucking like there is no like space between this and the edge of that triangle, and I got to crawl across this way. And this is my parents' room. There's like a little hole in the wall there. Cause my dad ran some fucking cables. Like we had like an old, like, I think it was before Ethernet cables were made, but like, yeah, I can't remember the name of the terminal connectors, but I think they were like just copper, like they're a lot like coax cable, if I remember correctly. Anyways, and I forget what that ring is. Like we ran a ring, basically. There's like a technical ring, like where you have like your PC, like you'll have a PC here and PC here, PC here, like PC here and PC here. We didn't have this many PCs, but like traffic will always go like clockwise or counterclockwise. And like once it reaches like the IP, like your, I don't know if it's necessarily IP address, but once it reaches like your computer and it's like, oh, this is for me, I'll take it. If it's not, then you'll pass it along. So anyways, yeah, we're that old. I have to run the cable down this way. Will it hit the ground? I don't know. But you gotta, I have to walk back. And then like, you know, go down there, go to my parents' room, go into their closet. Everything's in the closet for some odd reason. Then they have like this fucking big ass hole that's covered with a piece of fucking drywall. Got to pull that out, and it's like connected with tape, like like tape here, tape here, tape here, tape here. Pull that open and make sure like it hits the bottom. And then I got to go outside. So go back. Wait a second. We'll go back out. Go downstairs. I guess like this will be the stairs. And then I can go outside here, go there, and then go in the garage. Or I'm giving way too much detail. Go down the stairs, go back, that, and then go out the side garage there. And then like here we have a hole and it's always open. It's not insulated in here. This is fucking fully insulated. It's just fully open. Hopefully there's 2 cars usually parked in here. Hopefully there isn't a car parked in there. I have to go grab the ladder that's probably right here. Bring it out, put it right here, go up, climb that ladder like this. Bring a fucking light. Yeah, climb that fucking ladder. I'm halfway done. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I gotta go up there, go to the edge, because like this is where they kind of connect. And I don't remember, there's a hole, like there might be like a little bit of drilling right there or something like that. Like, and then I gotta snake through the fucking cable, however much there is, right? And then I gotta snake it down. Well, put the rest down there and snake it all down there. Go back over, gotta climb back down. Oh yeah, baby. And then there's like a little hole in the back here. And you gotta make sure like you cover it up. I probably gotta double check that to make sure it's covered up so we don't get any mice. Every once in a while they'll fucking find that hole, or they'll find some hole. They find their hole. The hole is their goal. So anyways, yeah, snake it in there like, okay, because like not here, but here we got like a quarter. Is it a quarter basement? I think we got a quarter basement. It might be a half basement. It's not a full basement. They should have got a fucking full basement. I don't know what they were thinking about not getting a full basement. Probably costs a lot of money. My dad sort of cheap. All right, so we got like, oh, it's not there. So we got like a half a basement. So the stairs right there, but like that goes down from the upstairs, and then like if you turn around, you'll like have stairs like right here to go down the stairs into the basement. All right, so this cable is like here, right? Over here, we got the crawl space. The crawl space, yeah. So I gotta take that cable. We got like some piping and shit and kind of wrap it around there. Open up this door. I guess that was a little bit more than half done. And then like I gotta bring it this way. And I think like the hole to get it out is like right there. So I gotta like fight. I gotta fight fucking spider webs and like grab, like there's plastic at least laid down, but I gotta fight fucking spider webs and shit. And then like, oh my gosh. And so there's at least like 4 cables here. Now last time I fucking like put one through there, like the fucking cable didn't really fit because, you know, I buy the one that's already headed, you know, with the RJ45, whatever the fuck it is. And so like I couldn't push it through. So I fucking took a drill and like right next to it, like was trying to cut it and not like hit any of the other wires and shit. And I got fucking like sawdust like coming down on my face. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm drilling like, I fucking nicked it a little bit. I don't think I saw like any exposed like copper, but I nicked it just a little bit. Like it got through like some of the shielding. Cause like we're doing like we're doing like the 6+ like type of cables. At least that's what they're advertised. I'm like always thinking they're fucking me. Like they're ripping me off. So then I got like push it up there, like try to push it up there. Oh, what if that doesn't work? Oh my gosh, you can't really do it that way. Never mind. You gotta run like a little bit of what to do it best. Now that I remember, is either like kind of tie it next to like one of the cables, or like try to pass down like, and it can't be like straight up just like yarn or like rope. Rope would be too thick, but like yarn or twine can be like, it's trying to like fit through like this little ass fucking hole. And this is in the drywall. So like there's like a hole here, and then there's like a hole here. Like hole here. And then like there's the hole in the drywall there. So you're like trying to snake it in, and then like, yeah. And then you gotta like try to pull it up. Oh my gosh. It's such a fucking pain in the ass. I think I got a cable, like I got 2, and one's not connected right now. But I don't know where it ends. Cause like when I was getting my thesis, I was like working in this room here, and then like I set up like a couple like servers over here, and I was like doing my shit. But now everything's like moved up into the closet. That's like up here. Yeah. Yep. I've been thinking about like moving my bed into the closet, cause I don't really watch TV or anything anyways. And like I can just like sleep here in the closet, and then like I'd have like my room, like it'll be like way more aired out, and I can have my room just like for everything. But I put up like a ton of fucking like pegboard in here. I took all my clothes out of here. They're all in like drawers and shit. I don't like, and I like made like a hanging area out of here, but yeah. Seriously considering that. But that would be like a week-long job. And I'd have to set up like, I set up fucking like tables and shit like on the wall. Like there's no legs on them because they're like connected to the walls. There's no legs on them. Yeah. They're connected to the walls like, yeah, that's how I did it. Cause I don't like legs. I don't like table legs. They get in the fucking way. So they're kind of like shelves, basically. Like my tables are like shelves. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Floating fucking desk. So what are we talking about again? I forget like what about the Ethernet cord, but I tell that story every once in a while. What the fuck is this shit? All right, anyways. Yeah, that's what I have to do to pull Ethernet cord. Oh. Because my mom has like all the Wi-Fi's and shit. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, I'm hoping my phone, like I can like connect my phone through USB and be able to access the internet like that. That's what I'm hoping. Because last thing we need is like another fucking like Wi-Fi. But yeah, she has to do it right, man. Like, she doesn't want to do it right. She buys like, she has like 20 different routers, and they're all these like, they're not like cheap, but they're like the consumer grade fucking like expensive ass. Well, she buys the expensive like consumer grade like routers, like from like, you know, like Realtek or whatever the fuck it is. And just like, just get some like, not necessarily bridges, but like access ports. Right? Or access hub? Are they access hubs? That's what I made. Right? So I might just connect that bad boy into like an Ethernet in my router. I tell her, I was like, man, we need to just like get a router. We just need to like, we need to set up like a Dell computer, like an old one, and just like make that a router. I might give her like the one that I got and say, have at it, mama. Actually, that's a fucking good idea. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's see if she'll like go with that. Cisco router would be cool. I just do a PF Sense. PF Sense, throw some NICs in there. Gives you the power. I guess you can like count or like you can view the packets through there. I never like tried looking at the IP addresses. I always use like what is it, Packet Shark or what the fuck it is. All right. As a router, and then Cisco as an access point. Oh, wait a second. Wi-Fi, Cisco, packet tracer, wireless access points. Okay, what do I got? I think I got Logitech. Is it No, I don't got Logitech. Actually, like, I bought this one. I got it up here. It's a TP link. I bought this. Man, I about like put a hole in my fucking monitor. All right. I bought this one, and like, the fucking wireless part is faster than the fucking Ethernet. I didn't realize they only use 100 megabit Ethernet thing on there. I was wondering why I was getting fucking slow ass downloads with it. I was like, what the fuck, man? Cool thing about access points is that they allow for VLAN. Yeah. Maybe we can do it right. Maybe we can do it right. You know what I'm saying? Because we need to like really do it right. We can't be doing this like hodgepodge of bullshit that we got going on right now. You can have multiple SSIDs at the same access point. Yeah. Yeah, we got to really do this right. Maybe I don't know. But like, I heard my mom told me that like on her AT&T router, AT&T router, like this stupid piece of shit. Yeah. Does this have like, I think this is it. Yeah. Do they have new ones now? So like on this one, let's see if I got the BGW 320. Okay. 320. I think it's this one. Let's get images. Stop going to Amazon. Stop it. All right, so kind of blow this up. What the fuck? It got worse. It got worse. All I want to do is like, it's like the worst, dude. So anyways, like this one can go up to like 5 gigabytes or gigabits. I use Comcast as my child network, guest network. And then like, this is not what we got. Oh yeah, we do. Here's the SFP, yeah. And then like these three are regular gigabits, but she told me that like through AT&T, they can like assign like outward IP addresses on these. So you can have multiple outward IP addresses. That'd be fucking awesome. Yeah. I might see how much that costs. Because it's not much more, I'll tell her I'll buy it. Because then I won't have to get like the wireless thing. I can just use the other IP address. I'll just like flood it with like all my fucking downloading, or like, you know, like the scraping part where they won't block me from watching the videos. I mean, they'll block me from watching the videos, but they still allow me to scrape everything. Right? So, yeah. I'll fucking run the shit out of that. I'll run the shit out of it. Yeah. Oh, this one looks like... Oh yeah, baby. This looks like it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell her. SFP. Yeah, so that's like, that's that. That's where we got the fiber. We got that fiber. The guy blaze it right on top. Dude, that's where it doesn't have it. I don't think it has a fan inside it, and he's putting this right on top of it. I think she turned like the fucking network thing back on this one. Like, but seriously, like, I gotta talk to her and be like, we gotta do something with our Wi-Fi. And then like, we'll do something with that. And then we'll like, we'll put some VLANs on there. Virtual networks or whatever. Just so like, at least for our Wi-Fi, right? Yeah, so I got like the TP link, like TP link access point. So this is my old one. And then like I think it's this one. This is the new one I got. Yeah. Because this one has like a gigabit network, like it's something like this. I don't think it's round. Network Chuck, he explains it better than I can. Network Chuck. I think I know that guy. Network Chuck. The beard. Open claw. Dude, he's like sweating his ass off there. I wish I could grow a beard like that. I want to like be... He's like, he could be a lumberjack. Oh my God, look at that dude. You think his wife's like combing through that beard to get to his lips? I downvoted this, bitch. He has voice over IP system for his entire family. Ha! What the fuck? I really want to have like Okay, in our basement, I mean, maybe I can get them to like add a circuit. We need more power in the house. And I know they need at least one other circuit downstairs because we got like a pump and a backup pump, and like we always have fucking issues. Like the backup pump didn't work. It flooded like a couple inches because it burnt out or something. Like, yeah, like, and it tripped the breaker or whatever. Ugh. Or like it burnt out like a socket. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the sump pump. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Basements are awful. Never furnish a basement. Never, ever, ever furnish a basement. Unless like you live like in a desert or something where it never rains. Why don't they have basements in California? You think they'd have basements because like it's cooler during the summer and warmer during the winter. Oh shit, you guys don't have normal weather patterns. So stable, also earthquakes. Yeah, you guys don't have normal weather. So I wanted to like, it's been doing this lately. Like, I don't know what the fuck's going on. Like Gnome like locks up a little bit. Lots of wildfires. Yeah. You guys got water issues. And you guys don't like cleaning up like highly flammable brush that builds up. And then you got guys that will go around trying to light fires. Oh, gosh. Yeah. What was I looking for? Oh, yeah. I saw photos of some guy trying to light brush on fire. Like, dear Lord. I think people like whooped his ass. Because it was during like the wildfires, you know, the police were all like, they had their hands full. And all that shit. And that's like terrorism, right? Trying to add more to it. It's like, I think people tried to beat his ass, or they like held him down until the cops came. Yeah. I think it's Twitch. Yeah. Yeah, we label things domestic terrorists, but what do? Nothing. Right? We're domestic terrorists. We don't do anything with them other than they get the label. It's only like we start like doing stuff against them. The only problem it's only a problem when it happens to me though. Yeah. Where is it? Like is member or something like that. I need to find where I do like, oh, muted audio. All right, so check if any muted audio. I wonder if I can do this like, so here, like, I just see if it is it. So I want to like put this funk in there and be like, hey, wait a second. What the fuck is this? Check if any muted audio is muted. I want to count the number of them and like and all that shit. So I gotta update my schema a bit. Because I know this is something I was wanting to do, but I just never got around to it. Page, is there any red paint? So yeah, this one, like, all right, so I guess I'll just give it this whole thing. Copy. All right, so and then like what I'm gonna do with the schema, then I'm gonna throw that, I'm gonna adjust the schema in the tables, and I'm gonna ask Grok like, hey, can you like build this out for like I guess like so I can upload it to whatever the fuck it's called. What the fuck is like, what's wrong with people? If people are upset that she's not streaming and they've been like giving her money, there's nothing wrong about saying something about it. The reason why we say stuff about it, so like she knows, I guess. I don't know. We care. Heaven forbid we care. Heaven forbid we care and we let people know that how we feel. All right. Heaven forbid we care. Heaven forbid we care. And heaven forbid we care enough to say something. There we go. Yeah. They didn't even name her name or tag her. I think it's a lot worse to weaponize her fan base. Yeah. All right. Barack. Oh my gosh. It's Barack. All right. I'm using GoRod. I got a GoRod right here. And this function checks to see if any of it is muted. But what I would like to do is how does this function look? Is to count the number of mutes, or I guess like what I like to do is return or get the length, I guess the starting point and length. Well, it's not really a starting point, it's like percentages. So let me do this. Like Pippa is like a really good one to get. So let's go to Pippa. Is Pippa on Twitch, like when she's doing gorilla stream? Is that another peanut? The burnt peanut? He's fucking still on the front page. Anyways. Detective Pippa. I guess like this would usually be. Oh no. All right, so Celestials. There we go. So yeah, she has like large parts where she just blasts music. So F12, and then yeah. Okay, so let me. All right. Let me copy this. All right. And span data. Oh, I already grabbed it. Oh fuck. So I guess like get like the start and width for each red segment. Get the start and width. Okay. All right. I don't know if I need all of this. Let's start with this. All right. So fuck. All right. So I'd like to get the start and width of each red. I guess like each red line in the player. All right, so this is the function. This is the function, and this is the original. This is the HTML. Yeah. So I guess I'll go over the cards, right? They'll probably do the cards and then check that. This is the function. What? This is the HTML. This is one of this is like this is one of the cards, I guess. So that shows red. All right. Don't think too long on this. I just need the percentages. What the fuck? Holy shit. I didn't realize you can just do this. What I noticed too is that, yeah, it'd be smarter to like run something like this. The return is muted. Does it not return anything else? Okay, wait a second. Start with that's smart. All right. Muted segment. Let's copy this. And all right. Where does it end? Here? All right. Segments. Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh. Return muted? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, that's pretty handy dandy. That's pretty handy dandy. I like that. I like that. It glazes over my head a little bit, but I like it. All right, so now, like, I can check it if it's muted. Is it a vInfo? All right, so check if muted. So I think I just like I put that in there. So I would be like yeah, I think here I'm gonna rename this, and here, oh fuck me, let's go to the beginning. Shit, is it really like all the way up here? Oh, so we got this muted segments. All right, so I think I still need to. All right. I think I need to make like a. I think I need to make this different. So I need to make like a thing that wraps around this. Okay. Check muted segments. All right, so I should have like a. What do I have here? All right. Let's take this up here. Let's bring this up here. All right, there. So I'm gonna make like another type on top of this, like type muted audio. Wait a second. Type type muted I like this, but I do want to have like a flag. So how would I name this? All right, so muted. I think I'm going to keep that muted audio. I wanted to make a sub function, but I don't necessarily need to. So this is like has muted audio. And then this will be like info, muted info, type struct. And then I think I want to be like is muted. uflags dot tri-state. There we go. And then like usually like this will only be true, like these segments will be there if it's true, right? So start with copy. So segments, muted segments, muted segment. All right. Muted audio, right? There we go. Oh, fuck. Of course. Oh, okay. All right, so like this here, wait. Main Twitch muted audio. All right, so what is this? So this will return actually muted info. All right, so I think like yeah, it's not gonna be a pointer. It's not gonna be a pointer. There we go. And nothing's wrong with like, this will be like a, oh, this is like a warning though. But like, I think in here, like I don't even return anything. Do I return it? Oh, I do. All right. I should have been like, I should have told it like I still care like if there's a state. There's like a reason why I had like a tri-state in there. So I think this makes it, right? So I don't have to like, I can be like segment. Let me grab this. Yeah, this is complicated. U flags unknown. Yeah. Okay. All right, so I think I should do like segments. All right, this should be like mute info. Mute info type mute info. Muted info. The type already says it all, right? So is muted equals u flags dot. Oh yeah, I could just return it as is because like it's unknown. So here it's unknown basically. So I can just return m and then return m. Control M, Control M, M, evaluate that. Now, I don't know, like, wait, this for seek bar segments. I think here it would still be M. All right. Yeah, the only time I don't do an unknown is here. Okay, at the very end. So, okay, so here it's still M. But here, I think if we get an error, this might be fine. This might be fine. Not, this will be. I'm surprised I didn't do like a U flags, like a Erlog here. Oh, I did. But this one's like really bad. What the fuck? No, I didn't do an Erlog. Okay, so oh, I guess I can check to see. So I'm assuming like if it finds nothing, it's gonna return an error, right? But I'm not like 100% sure. Yeah, I don't even. If U flag's not equal to nil. Wait a second. Why? Wait a second. Wait a second. What? Why do I have true here? What? I don't think this is right. I think this is false. I think I how did I do this before? 1, -1, -1, 1. I don't have any zeros here. Okay. Let me think about this. That looks weird. Where's the clips parser? Wait a second, that's not that. Oops. So I'm not sure about this. If this is not equal to nil, I don't even think I care. Right? I don't really care about that error. Boom. If result value not equal to nil. untyped. Yeah, silly Billy. All right, so if result not equal to nil, bytes Marshall. Segments, undefined segments. All right, so we'll give it this. We need to give it an address. All right, so let's do this. M dot segments. Use the segments. Make. There we go. 0. And then we'll do. Boom. There we go. And this will be oh. If results not. All right, wait a second. I think if the error is equal to nil, no. If error not equal to nil, we do return, and I gotta set like m dot is muted equals m dot. Wait a second. Equals U flags false, and then we'll return m comma nil, because I don't think we care. Yeah, I don't know why I did true there. That should be probably false. I think that should be false. But the thing is, like, it went through and got this, right? Huh. Okay. Let me ask this, like, wait a second. How to use it? I know what to fucking do with it, bitch. All right. Yeah. I know what to do with it. So, okay. Why? Result page eval. All right. Copy. What kind of error? What kind of error would result? Would page eval dot 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 return. Okay. JavaScript errors. Other routes. Well, okay. So if it doesn't spot any red, if it doesn't spot any red, would it return an error? No, it will not return an error if no red segments are found. Okay. So I think this would be like unknown. I'm already working on it. You don't have to. You don't have to. I'm already on it. All right, so okay. All right, so he. Grok could be a she. So this is a maybe. I think this will be a maybe. Unknown or whatever. There we go. But I think like I should check to see if this is nil. Okay, so and result I did or result reslut result well I think here like we would not know if it is or not. Okay, so the result's not equal to nil. And then if they're not equal to nil, we'll check this. I think here, like, I don't really have to change anything. I can just send back M, right? But here, if results not equal to nil, measure. Segment. All right, so I think here is not equal to nil, and if len of m muted segments is like greater than 0. There we go. Wait a second. If it's that means there's none. So I think this hero just wouldn't find it, right? So like I guess like I hate that. There's no air here. So I don't think I'd return an error on this one. I should put that on the side. So I'll return nil on this. And then this will be false. So m dot muted segments. I have a feeling like if any errors in there, this is gonna be 0 anyway. So all right, so m muted segments equals u flags dot false. Why are you doing this? Oh shit. This will be M is muted. And that would be, wait a second. True. Wait a second. False. There we go. All right, and then this will be what is in here? All right, so this will be m dot is muted equals u flags dot true, and then m. There we go. All right, I gotta go to the restroom. I'll be right back. I'll be back, baby. Where's my? I need. Oh man, I was gonna make like a screen, a BRB screen. All right, be right back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh shit. I almost miss Henya's. I think she's started up a stream again. All right, let's check Henya's channel. She's playing Nike. I want to play that. Or Nike. I gotta just double check something here. All right, so. Oh, what the fuck? There she is. Hell yeah, dude. She's like, she looks like a fucking, almost like a volleyball player. Oh my gosh. She can step on me. Oh. All right. I guess I just X'd out of it. Whatever. Plug this shit in. I got my Oshis, one to my left, one to my right. That's how I roll, yo. What's this? Oh no! Powder. I've never really like watched it. How did someone just give it to me? I Thank you, Arizona 213. Videos yesterday. Oh man, she streams like fucking every day. Just about, it seems like. I haven't really watched it. When's her schedule? Oh, I gotta fuck with my schedule here. Uh-oh. She doesn't... Oh man, she does like this and this and that. Oh. Okay, let me put my schedule back up. Let's go to my channel. So I haven't been putting my schedule up. I'm bad. Let's go to my channel. And schedule. All right, so edit. Did I just fucking delete it straight up? All right, so that's like every day. I don't think I ever take a break. I'll put 3 to 4 hours. I think I typically stream 3. Let's put 3 hours and 30 minutes. There we go. Everybody, title option. Daily schedule. I guess like they're in for tons of fun. Category, probably World of Warcraft. Co-work. Yeah, that's usually what I'm doing. All right, repeats. Let's like copy this one. All right. What? Is this still on like Monday? All right. All right, wait a second. Add stream. Paste. Thursday. Oh, bitch. That was 10 p.m., right? 3.5 hours. A world of hurt. And oh, I could do that. So that wait a second. Oh. Oh. And for title option, Omega clap. Take that, yo. There we go. All right, this will be get low. Get low. Get low. Get low. Wait a second. That doesn't make sense. All right, this one here. Shake your pants. Pants as you dance. You better put on your buggy shoes. There we go. And sayonara Sundays. I don't know what to put here. Getting ready Ready for the weekday, baby. There we go. Can I? So that should be every day. Before I had like Tuesdays off, but I always fucking stream Tuesdays anyway. Brand. Ultra Derek. Video player banner? What? I can do a video one now? Suggested channels. Stream events. Holy shit. Celebrate your affinity anniversary. I will never remember this. People like will tell me like, "Oh, you're affiliate. Congrats." I'll be like, "Ah, I didn't realize it." So, it didn't fucking move at all. I fucking hate YouTube. I hate fucking YouTube. Yeah, +1 subscriber for the month. Fucking suck. Well, oh wow. Oh wow, someone actually watched the other day. Okay, so this is gonna be coming to the public, I think tomorrow morning. Yeah, look at this. Fucking look at that. That is awful. And this one's like get 2 every once in a while. Like this might pop off. It might. But it's been like 6 days. Reach. They're starting to crank it up a little bit. The click-through rates have been higher. So that's good. I guess they're finding people. They're figuring out who to give it to. All right, so we don't need to check if the length is equal to 0. I'm sure they're not going to put anything in it if there's an error. If V is nil or not a pointer. Wait a second. Marshall parses JSON and stores the result and the value point to by V. If V is nil or not a pointer. Oh. Okay, so it's definitely not nil here. Yeah. Yeah. Rod returns JSON like file. So I gotta check that this works, and I gotta. Okay, so like get. Okay, this would be like get muted audio. It muted audio segments, and then this will be this. There we go. All right, so put the link in there. Yeah. All right. What the fuck? Oop. Oh, fuck me. It's all the way at the fucking top. What is this? What? And if there is any discrepancy, it will I guess. I don't know. And also has a check if it is unknown or not. There we go. Because if it's unknown, I'm gonna do like a recheck, right? All right, so that's that, mister. That's that. That's that. And I need this. All right, and then this here. There we go. And this will check error, and this will be a warning. I mean, like, all right, so we're gonna do like a quick check on this one. We'll do it on Pippa. So, Twitch.check. Check for muted segments. All right, so flag. This will be not flag. We'll call this main. Let's cut this. Whoa. And it. Oh. Twitch muted audio segments. And we'll get the segments. Well, it's more than just segments. Muted info. And oh, we can just pick a video. So we'll pick a video here. We got Pippa, right? Pippers. Fuck. We're done with this, right? So we gotta go back to Pippers. Hey, it's me. Powder. Dio. Videos. View all. Not that one. This one? No, this is that was a fucking good stream. She was trying to get like this guy's Discord back. Some guy stole it. Stole a Discord from somebody else. And was trying to sell it. She was trying to get She was trying to get it back from the fucker. Alright, let me copy this. Alright. There's a question mark at the end of this. Is it just Twitch? Alright, so is that the same? No, it wasn't. Alright, so flag, what's a flag? var flag. Init. I think this holds it, right? Oh, it doesn't hold it. I don't need to know it. What's wrong with this? What? What the fuck's wrong with this? I'm gonna like control X this, and then I'm gonna control Z, All right. Why did that have such a hard time with that? All right, there we go. Get down, get down. There we go. What? Declared but not used? Oh, because you're fucking dumb. There we go. So this should like pop out a couple things. I guess like if, okay, so for what is it? Then, all right, seg make range of muted info, muted segments. All right, so seg copy. There we go, and then like muted info. We want to print this. Print ln muted info dot is muted. All right, there we go. So let's run this. We are in checking stuff. CD checking stuff. History restore. Okay, go run main.go. This fucking shit takes a long time. Uh-oh. What's taking so long? What? One is true. Okay. So that means it's muted. Right? But it didn't count it. What? What the fuck? Did I do that wrong? HTML parser. All right. Muted info. Error. Is muted flags M. Wait a second. What is it? Unknown. Let's do this. I don't have a string. I don't have strings for these. Let's double check yours. So true, it's one. They said it was muted, right? And then it was unknown. Huh. What the fuck? Let's make sure I'm not doing like a true anywhere around here. I'm going to do this here just in case. This should be 0 anyway. All right, so all right. If results not equal to nil, if error, that returns that. Oh, wait a second. If results not equal to nil, that muted segments. Let's see what happens if I do this. I think I'm gonna get like a panic, or I'll get an error. If debug. All right. Okay, so FMT and error's not going to L. So we're doing this one, right? Made it before results. And bytes of that, if error, it should be false. False is -1. Is muted true. It got to here. Right? Is muted. Am I just doing this wrong? Debug. Length of m dot muted segments. All right. This might need to be a pointer. This might need to be a pointer. Although, okay, if we get a length here, then we'll know for sure. All right, so length of muted segments. Okay. Here. Okay, so len of m dot muted segments. All right, so let's go back to the main. Yeah, because it's really weird because it's going through the range of the segments, and each of these segments is like a muted segment, and they should have filled the values up. Red strokes. There we go. Paste. Oh shit. Color index these nuts. All right. I'm just putting those other things in there just in case. And then the main println segment. Dot seg dot start. Yeah, this should have just been check muted segments. URL muted info. I sent the pointer. I can't believe I'm running this issue. Wait a second, is that the wrong one? Alright, we're fine on that one. Alright. And segments. And segments. Mute the segments. Blah, 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 blah. Bytes. I fucked up. All right, so I'm pretty sure I put that in the wrong spot. No, I did put it in the right spot. Results value. Dot. This returns a string v any. Prefix indent. Results is a remote object. What's this value? I don't know if this can be value option remote object values is in case of primitive values of JSON values if it was requested. All right. And then this Marshall takes any. I think this needs to be like, I don't know if this Marshall's working right. if error not equal to nil. F_t.println. Print. Okay. Error from Marshall. And comma. Error. All right. Bytes. What's wrong with this? Undefined bytes. Oh, fuck off. All right, so there's no error. All right, so F_t.println result. Fuck off. This is gonna give me all its underbelly shit. What's that? There we go. That's a big space. All right, so object. What is this thing? Give me go. Let's go here. Eval options. Where is it? Get away. Where's eval? All right, so we got this. Type. What the fuck? Runtime. Good night. Oh my gosh. This is so fucking complicated. Look. All right. Oh fuck. What the fuck is it? I didn't do anything. All right, so it returns this pointer. It's not equal to nil. It's a JSON type. So I think I'm gonna tell it's like, I don't think we send this to it. Made an object. Okay, so I'm gonna show it this. And yeah, I'm gonna say like it's taking this, it's not returning. So, okay. All right. So I think this isn't correct. The Marshall isn't doing it. Marshall isn't doing anything. And it isn't running air. I'm pretty sure. What if I've been running with something like... I am pretty sure... This is the one with 3 errors in it. So let's copy this and double check. All right. Yeah. The link I passed has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a second. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has like several of these. Fucking leaflet. Has several of these. All right, so it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so what? Did I put in the wrong one? Oops. It isn't running air. I sent it a link with at least 11 errors, 11 muted spots, with around 10 muted spots. All right. It does nothing useful in terms of... Well, you're the one that fucking put it in there, bitch. Yes, that's a common gotcha. How do you know? If it's that common. Plain Go, interface a slice, JSON Marshall at Awesome. What? What? I'm confused now. What's going on here? That URA cleanest. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm better to give up on this. v.number. What is going on here? All right, so what? Did you get like dumb all of a sudden? All right. I have to fucking do it myself? No. Value array. JS array. What is this? All right. So we didn't need any of that other shit. Okay. Then why don't we just fucking do this to begin with? All right. Why didn't we do this to begin with, yo? Okay. After this one, if this doesn't work, then fuck it, chickens in a bucket. If result's not equal to nil. So I don't think I need this. Excuse me. Yeah, I should have brought it back in a table, right? Unless you tell it to do something else. JSON Marshall. All right. Get the results. I think we get rid of these. I am so confused right now. Control Shift. Oh yeah, baby. All right. JArray. What is this? Value dot gets. I think this is an ARR. Right. Is there something that the proto JSON? This is a proto JSON. Oh, this is a. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go like items, map. Oh, it does that. Okay. All right, so segments equals m dot muted segments. Number v dot. I think you gotta be like a float or something. All right. All right. What the fuck? M dot. Oh shit, that's the wrong one. Oh fuck, I got it. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh Holy fuck. Copy. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh. All right. I think I can delete this. All right. And then I can delete this. So, J array R's if results not equal to nil. I guess like at the len. What's in here? I think I gotta delete these two. All right, so missing argument list. What the fuck? What the fuck? Unreachable code. Okay, is muted equals true. Okay, so I think here, muted segments, if the len, what is that? Oh, shit. All right, so let's put this here just for the fun of it. All right, so this will be, fuck. There we go. So here we got to think about this. So like, okay, it goes to this array for blah, 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 blah. And I guess like the len of the JS array is 0. If the results not equal to nil. I think like here, I'll put like else. This will be like unknown, because it's saying like it can return an error and still like it was like the result. Oh, wait a second. I think I wonder if the result's nil, then like I'll put like true. No, false. And or I don't know. I'm not sure about this. So I'll put unknown. If we get back like zeros on this one, then it's probably because of this. Almost guarantee it. And then I'll put like we'll do one that doesn't have anything in it also, and then check that. So but this one here, I think I'm gonna move this here. And then like if len of info min info dot like muted segments is greater than 0, then it muted is true, and return that. And then it's not, it's false, and we'll do that. So, okay, we'll run that one, define M. Oh. Oops. There we go. Any other one? Anybody else? Anybody? All right. Bow, 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 bow. So, where'd it go? Okay, so, okay, so, if debug flag, okay, so, fnt.println JS array length, len of JS array. All right. If len of muted segments. All right. And then like if m equals nil, vnum, what would this v be? All right, so value, they want a proto-JSON that is there a proto-JSON? I don't think it knows what it's doing. It's not a proto-JSON. So we're going to get the length of this array, if there's any array in there. R of JSON returns empty array if underlying JSON is not an array. All right, so all right, so it's not getting anything. And it said like marshal or unmarshal. Return muted. All right, so okay, what I'm going to do right now is not worry about this. We will need to come back to this. So this doesn't work. This doesn't work. I'm going to put this out of its misery. We're going to copy that. and do this. I know this one works, but it returns a muted. So, but what we're gonna do though is we're gonna do this. Boom. And then this is gonna get I guess we'll just return info. Here we go. Return this. Okay. Minfo dot is muted equals uflags dot true. Why would that be true? I think this will be unknown. Well, actually, this doesn't matter. Like, eval is a shortcut. If it's not equal to nil, what if it's this here? I think it's this. And page throw page or two. No. I don't know. Is muted is true. Why would that be true? Because like this returns a value. If there's an error, why do I have that there? I think I'm gonna put it like. I think I'm gonna make it false. Okay, we can just check, right? This one's gonna have things in it, so let's shift, and we'll just do this, and then like, all right, boom, copy, boom. And then all right, we'll put unknown here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna print here like if debug fmt.print ln where error not equal to nil. Okay, and then this will be error, I guess. I mean, it's gonna print it in there. But I want to go in here and see what it says. Yeah. So this will print it outside. So we'll give it one without without shit. One no. Okay, so it is muted. It's the only place where it goes where it's muted. So this one here, it should say. All right, so let's go. All right, so let's go to like another Pippa one. Is it this one here? Does she have like muted spots? No. All right, so let's go to here. Let's grab this. All right, and here in the main. So this one had like 10 muted spots, like 10 or so. All right, so we'll do like this here. And okay. This one has none. None in the muted. So if it comes back unknown and nil, I guess, or with that error, and it'll print that one spot, then we'll know that I have to make it like, say, like false or whatever. So we're just error. There we go. So there's no muted segments. This needs to be worked out later, and but it will. Yeah, so this needs to be worked out later. Not available yet. Available yet. All right, so there we go. So it's gonna take a while on these. Oh, wait a second. I can do this. Var weight grip. That. It's best just to do this. All right, so it's best to have a sequential. We don't need to make it concurrent, because if we make it concurrent, then it can print different times and shit. Okay, what now? This one should be -1. No. Okay, so I didn't go into that one spot, so that's good. Yeah. Excellent. So man, fucking Henya's on late. She's playing Nike. What the fuck was that? Hold on a second. This is like really weird. Okay, so let's go to Henya. Close this. So like she was just like, can I rewind it? Oh, I can't. Neko nya nya. He's like, there. Who is that? That looked like Giga in the background. Why is it not playing? What the fuck's going on here? All right, play. Oh, eyes on you.
Kind of like maybe inspired.
It was just up. You're like playing like this guitar thing.
And it becomes an idol just now.
Oh my gosh. Was she just like in the spot? Where's she at here?
Oh, okay, I got it.
40601.
It's VSJK. VSJK. VSJK.
EFGK. I'm pretty sure it's been like a couple minutes.
Oh my god, they have a rhythm game.
6014. Oh, so she hasn't.
They have a rhythm game. What the heck?
They came up behind her. Oh, it was these girls. One looked like Giga, like flashed before my eyes. I was like, what the fuck? Oh, okay.
ミニゲームめっちゃ手込んでる。すごいね。いや、they have a gorgeous name.
So I was watching Cantagal something Otaku. And fucking hilarious. But it's kind of, I don't know. Those like harem. There. It looked like fucking.
I feel like minigame is such.
It looked like fucking Giga. It's not Giga. Okay. Almost looks like Heavenly. Kind of looks like Giga. That was so. I don't know, man. I don't know. All right, so I need to tell it for this. This is going to be fixed later on. Yeah. I think Grok got dumber. It was like doing really good there for a little bit, and then they decided to not give it like any kind of brain. What's going on here? What the fuck's going on here? What'd I do there? Like, I don't remember like doing shit. Sometimes I think I like click something on it. Like sometimes I think stuff gets pasted on here. Like when I scroll. Is there like a paste button on here? No. Oh. What's this? All right, there is this button. Is this just like a scroll up? Yeah, I don't know what this button is. There's all these different buttons on it. What's this button? That doesn't do anything. There's like 20 buttons on here. I don't like use any of them. I only use like the mouse. I use the left clicker, the scroll wheel, and the right clicker. I mean, it was cheap. It's a cheap Logitech G502 Hero. I heard they're like decent. Like I needed one that will not like fucking break. Why is it like if I'm going like this and then I can, oh, okay. Like I go like this, right? And then I hit save and it saves it. Like, all right, it doesn't get marked here. All right, so, okie dokie. All right, so I gotta let it know what I added to the thing. So I could probably do that like on my own, maybe. Let's see if I'm dumb enough to not be able to do this. All right, so we got the main, right? The Twitch parser. So what I added like to this was, which took me like a few hours for some odd reason, muted info and multi-stream flag. We deleted that. We're gonna delete this. All right, and wait a second. Yeah. Muted segment, muted info. Where's muted info? So here. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what I can do. Close this. And I think it was this one. So it's on the Twitch. We got there. Okay, so this muted audio, small int. All right, we're doing something different. This here. So this is different. So I think I need to have like a table. Twitch clips archive. I don't know what I'm doing with that. Muted info. All right, so muted info. And then this will have an ID, int, PK, increment, right? What's wrong with this? All right. And then like this will have like, I guess a channel ID. What is this? Twitch channel ID? Yeah, I guess so. Boom. And then this will have ooh. Muted. Is muted. Copy. All right, so And this, I'm gonna rename this as muted. Is muted. All right. There we go. And then this next one. This should have like another table. I guess the table will be like, I wonder if it'll be to this one. Table ID. Right. Okay, so we'll have another table. Table, Twitch, muted, segment. All right. And then this will be like ID int. Copy. There we go. And then I think this here, I think it's like relying on this. All right. So we'll Twitch channel ID. We'll copy this. But this is actually going to be Twitch channel ID. YouTube Twitch channel ID. All right, so this one will be clip ID. What is clip ID? All right, so yeah. I think I'm on the right. I think I'm on the right path here. This will be like. This will be Twitch muted info ID, I guess. Comma ID. Underscore ID. Copy. Okay, so this will be this here. Boom. I almost want to like actually point it to this. Twitch streams ID. Clip ID. Twitch channels ID. This one is Twitch clips archive. What the fuck? Twitch stream clip selections. Twitch streams ID. Okay. Twitch streams ID. Yeah, I think this is going to be Twitch streams ID. I guess I could try it like this, but I think this is going to be wrong. Twitch clips archive. Oh, wait a second. Muted segment. Okay, so this one here, and then this will be all right. Start float. And then end float. End float. There we go. All right, is there like a... Is there like a auto... Okay. I can ask Brock. All right, so what is this? What? Okay. Ooh, shit. No. Channel ID? No. This is wrong. This is totally wrong. All right, so... where did I fuck this up? Muted segments, Twitch muted, info.id, Twitch channel ID. Oh, shit. I need to go like wherever this Twitch streams.id. I guess like Twitch streams ID. Streams.id. ID. Wait a second. Oops. And so this will be like Twitch streams.id. Copy. All right. Paste. Twitch streams. There you go. I don't know if this is like a mini, but it's like a 1-to-1 almost, like, right? So there's many of that. Yeah. But like, I think technically like this here, like I do have it like this here, but it can like go to just streams. Right. I could get, yeah, it can definitely just go to streams. Needed info, but like if I have a part of this, and I don't know, hopefully it'll be easier to grab. All right. Holy shit. I'm gonna get its info on this. So did I keep it? All right. This is what I'm gonna do. It's 1:10. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. bed. Go to bed. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll be on later on at night. I'm not gonna do it during the day. During the day, I gotta like my daughter has home shit, but I'm gonna try to do this like on my own during the day. So I'm gonna get some good rest, and then I'm gonna see if I can get Grok to help me out with this. I'm gonna see if it like agrees with me with this, but technically like this can go into here, but they would still get their own ID and all that shit. But I don't know. It makes me feel better if it's like this. So this is 1 to many. Muted segment. I think it's like the opposite for this. Twitch muted info. I have to remember how this works. All right, so but it seems like that's how it's been doing it. Like this one streams like 1 to many. Oh, many of these. I forget how the fucking talks about it. But here, like here, clips archive, like. Oh, this is for like. Okay, I know what this is. I was like, wondering what the fuck this was about. This is like to re-download him or whatnot. Bow, bow, bow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so. Yeah. 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 Oh, wait a second. Is that how they do it? Twitch ID, links. I can't remember if that's how they connect it. Okay, wait a second. Table. Okay, we got Twitch streams, we got the ID, blah 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 blah. And what is the table Twitch? Table Twitch. Twitch channels, creators ID. Control Z. Okay, we got Twitch streams. Name, URL. I think that's how it works. Because I'm not seeing like the stream or it just has like a channel ID and then you just link it in here. It's like it doesn't even know about it. All right. YouTube infos. Oh, this one have it. This would be like YouTube streams. Where's YouTube streams? Oh. Twitch channels. Twitch streams. ID, creator ID, name, URL, last download. YouTube infos. Usually I call those like YouTube, Twitch infos too. Twitch clip. So this should have like videos. I think this is all fucked up. YouTube channel ID, content, title, link, member, duration, thumbnail. Thumbnail's gonna be gone. I don't think this is right. I think this is wrong. I think like because there's not a video. There's a video section. There's a stream session, and it doesn't tell you which one's which. It doesn't even have it. Content type. Enum. I guess they put that there. I'm gonna have to ask another AI to help me out with this. Maybe like, I'm not sure Grok is doing this good. So, but this might be fine. But I liked having it separate. Oh my God. I should have went with like Mozilla, not Mozilla. MongoDB. Tell it to my heart. All right, everybody. Y'all have a good one. I appreciate y'all. And I'll be on later on tonight. Later on tonight. Can't wait. Cannot wait. Beacon Music. All right. All right. It says Beacon. Yeah, I don't know why it plays that song in the background. It shouldn't. So, but anyways, I appreciate y'all, and I will be on later on tonight. So, have a good one. Thank you very much for stopping by, and I hope you all have a good evening, morning, or you know, whatever. So, I'm gonna almost immediately make this unlisted on my Ultra Derek, but you'll see it on the Nyana Neko. So have a good one, everybody. Bye bye.